Welcome. Splicecom's iPCS enables you to manage your calls on your mobile. From your list of apps, select iPCS. To make a call, select the keypad icon at the bottom. Enter the number you wish to dial and press call. Once the call is answered, you can enter further digits if requested via the keypad icon, or mute the call, or use speakerphone, or place the call on hold. You can press hang up to end the call. You can also make a call directly to a colleague and look up their number via contacts. Within search, enter the name of the colleague. And when found, select the colleague's name and select the number you want to dial. If the numbers for an external contact are available, you can search for this contact and dial one of their numbers. Another quick way to make a call is via your favourites, where a speed dial, either to an external number or to a colleague, can be set up. If a speed dial to a colleague's extension is displayed with a red light, then you know that the colleague is busy. Otherwise, select the speed dial required and the call will be made. When you receive a call, the caller's number will be displayed and you can choose to reject the call and it can be forwarded to another number or to voicemail. Or you can answer the call. Again, you can mute the call, place the call on hold, use speakerphone and enter additional numbers. If your phone is locked when you receive a call, drag the slider to the left to reject the call or to the right to answer the call. If you wish to transfer a call, press hold and on the keypad enter the colleague's extension number and press call. If you want to blind transfer the call, in other words not announce it, you can press transfer now. Otherwise, wait for your colleague to answer and when they are ready, press transfer and the call will be passed on. If, however, the colleague doesn't answer the call or doesn't want to take the call, you can press hang up to return to the original caller. Or if the colleague hangs up, you will also be returned to the original caller. Alternatively, if you need to swap between the caller and your colleague, you can use the switch button as often as you like. You can even create a conference between the three of you, and then transfer the call when everyone is ready. When you want to transfer a call, you can also search for the colleague's number via contacts. You can either do this once the call is on hold, or while you are talking to the caller, and once you select a number to dial, the call is put on hold. You can also use your favourites in the same way. Call the colleague via a speed dial, either once the call is on hold or while you are talking to the caller, and once the number is dialed, the call is put on hold. All calls you receive and make will be listed within the history page. More details on using the history page and settings are available in the next video. Take control of your calls with Splicecom's iPCS.